I'll give you 40 days to get back home. I'm gonna call up the gypsy woman on the telephone. I'm gonna send out a worldwide hoodoo. It'll be the very thing that'll suit you. I'm gonna say that you'll be back home in 40 days. Well, I was talking to the Georgia private girl this morning. Well, he took me to the sheriff's office, sign a warrant. Ain't gonna throw no charge against me. Do everything that you say. I'm gonna say she'll be back home in 40 days. 40 days. 40 days. I'm gonna say that she'll be back home in 40 days. Ain't gonna throw no charge against me. Do everything that you say. I'm gonna say she'll be back home in 40 days. If I get no satisfaction from the judge, I'm gonna take it to the FBI as a personal grudge. And if I get no consolation, I'm gonna take it to the United Nations. I'm gonna say that she'll be back home in 40 days. 40 days. 40 days. I'm gonna say that she'll be back home in 40 days. And if I get no consolation, I'm gonna take it to the United Nations. I'm gonna say that she'll be back home in 40 days. I'm gonna say she'll be back home in 40 days. I'm gonna say she'll be back home.